This first example, we're going to demonstrate some real basic polymorphism here. And here we're going to have a class of employee. This is going to be our superclass. And this employee, if we call it and run it, it will output the statement, I am an employee. All right, now, within this class, we are going to extend the employee class, and we're going to call this next employee a manager. All right, so this is inheritance. We just said this manager extends the employee class. With this manager subclass now, we say he is not going to say I am an employee. He or she is going to say I started as an employee, but now I am a manager. And then we're also going to have that particular subclass say I manage many employees. So when we run this program, we could run the program as an employee or as a manager. And if we run it as a manager, then the employee information is not going to show up. Only the manager information or output is going to show up. All right, so here we say public static void main statement, and we further define the employee and the manager. And when we run it, we're going to see that the employee information is not called, just the manager information. All right, so let's go to our DOS or command prompt here. And I want to say run the program, run the Java program, poly example. And when I do, you can see that the manager gets called, not the employee, and it gives us that output statement. I started as an employee, but now I'm a manager. I am a manager. I manage many employees. So you can see, even though we started the program with the superclass employee, it underwent polymorphism, and when we ran it at runtime, it gave us the manager information. All right, let me clear this, and let's go on to our next example.